This tech article will show you how to replace the left side mirror, red arrow. The right side mirror is similar. The mirror glass. If the glass is cracked or in a condition where you think it may shatter, cover the mirror with tape, red arrow, to prevent glass pieces from falling off. Pull the top of the mirror forward. Next, use a small pick and release the metal retainer behind the mount by pulling it up while holding it and then pulling the mirror, glass, and mount out of the housing. Then disconnect the electrical connectors. Press the Release tab, blue arrow, and pull the electrical connector apart. The red arrow points to the retainer you are lifting up with the pick to remove the glass from the housing. To install new glass, start by connecting the electrical connector. Then align the tab on the mirror glass, red arrow, with the slot in the mirror motor, blue arrow. Then gently snap the mirror glass back into place. To replace the mirror housing, you will begin by removing the door trim piece from the door panel. Pull the trim piece off or use a plastic pry tool to detach it, as indicated by the red arrow. Working at the door module, unplug the two electrical connectors, red arrows. Press the Release tab and pull the connectors straight out. The Release tab is on the jam side. Fold the mirror towards the rear of the vehicle. Use a flathead screwdriver to lever the retaining clip, as indicated by the blue arrow, towards the door. This will release the cover. As you release the clip, slide the cover off the mirror. The insert in red arrow show the clip you have to release to remove the mirror cover. This is viewed with the cover removed. As you release the clip, slide the cover off the mirror, red arrow. Fold the mirror towards the front of the vehicle, red arrow, and remove the lower T20 torque fastener as indicated by the blue arrow. Release the mirror to the rest position, then remove the two remaining front T20 torque fasteners, red arrows. Remove the mirror and support from the door. Feed the wiring harness with the rubber grommet through the door frame when removing the mirror and support. Note that I left my mirror glass installed, blue arrow. You can leave the mirror installed, however Mercedes-Benz suggests removing the glass before removing the cover. When installing, reverse the order of the removal instructions. Be sure to replace any damaged door panel clips. Properly route all wiring as before. If you are replacing the bulbs of the LED strip, see the final steps. To replace the mirror lights, remove the Phillips head screw, blue arrow, then pull the LED strip out of the cover and replace it with a new one. To replace the entrance bulb, red arrow, rotate the bulb socket 45 degrees counterclockwise and pull it out of the cover. Then remove and replace the bulb. Do not touch the bulb glass with your bare skin. When installing, reverse the order of the removal instructions. Be sure to replace any damaged door panel clips and properly route all the wiring as before. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.